Hey, what's good? It's your boy G Marcus Winters TV, back with a brand new video. Today I'll be doing something brand new. Of course, I'll be doing a shoe review like the title says, but I'll be doing something a little different. I'll be doing a versus battle. Now this is like an old and new type of thing, so I'll be doing a versus battle. So the first one up, Adidas Superstar 2, Year of the Horse, versus the Jordan 1 Low Gold Toe. So, you guys know me. I don't know what the hell these sneakers are. You guys know me. I'm not no damn sneakerhead or whatever the case is. I like it, I buy it. That's just how I do it. I don't know the whole name and all that stuff. What year it came out, I don't know all that shit. I just read that off the box. I'll be honest with you. I don't know these damn shoes. This is the Adidas 2 Year of the Horse. This is the gold, black, and white. And of course, I got my other shoe, the Jordan 1 Low Gold Toe. So these are the two shoes that I have now. This one I got years ago. Years of freaking ago I got this shoe. This shoe was really dope. Like, what I liked about it was I liked the little red thing inside of it, the little red and black. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, I was really feeling that for some reason. Like, that really sold me. Like, it just reminded me of like a Japanese type of thing or whatever. I don't know, Japanese, Chinese type of thing. I don't know, it has the nice little black laces. Of course, the Adidas logo, like, it's really dope. The white bottoms, you know, it's not gonna be as clean. I had this, like, I bought this like what, 5, 6, 7 years ago, but so I bought these. They were on sale. They were on sale at the Adidas factory and the Adidas Nike outlet. Like, I was really feeling these. Like, I like it, you know. It got the black stripes right here on both sides. The black stripes, nice little smooth little texture. And it got the little gold. I was really feeling that little black and gold right here. Really dope as hell. So, of course, like I told you guys, I had this for like what? Probably what? 5, 6 years? Like, I probably wore this like 3 times. 3 freaking times. Like, the retail price for this is like $80, but if you go on StockX right now, you'll find it for $100. But the retail price was 80, like, but I got it for like I don't know, I probably got it for like 60 or 70. But like, yeah, I remember when I got these, I was mad freaking hyped. Like, I buy a lot of shoes, like I buy a lot of freaking shoes or whatever. I like, sometimes it's just like, damn, what the hell I'm gonna wear with? That's the thing, that's why I get stuck. For a date, I went to the Sugar Factory on a date. I was wearing a black and gold shirt. I kind of went too far. I kind of went like I kind of threw it off a little bit because I had a black and gold shirt and I had a black and gold hat. Like, I wouldn't dress like that now, but hey, for that time it was cool or whatever. So, and then of course we got the gold toe. Now this motherfucker right here, like, this is one of the newest shoes that I have. This is really dope. I got this on StockX for the low. Oh man, like, this was like a bidding war for this right here. Like, this was crazy. Like, I'm really feeling this right here. Like, my brother expired this one. Shout out to my brother, like, Fly True. I don't know what you go by these days, but yo, shout out to my brother. Salute to him. But he has the high top version of this. Like, I wasn't really like, I don't know, it was something similar he had. I think he had the OGs, I'm not sure what the name is. Like I said, I'm not no shoe expert. But he had something like similar to this or whatever. When I see it, I was like, alright. Like, I liked how he was rocking it. Like, I was like, alright, I already have gold and white shoes. So I don't like to buy the same type of shoe over and over with different stuff. I don't really like that. Unless it's a classic. If it's a classic, got it. Like a real like classic Jordan or something like that, cool. I seen these and I was like, I was really feeling these. Like, cause I feel like I have a lot of high tops that I've not even freaking worn yet. I have a lot of high tops, so I gotta get one of those cases, you know, them cases that everybody has these days, where it's just like the see-through glass and there's a whole bunch of shoes. I gotta get one of those or whatever. But I don't want it to be like gold. Cause I'm not a really big fan of gold. I like gold, but I'm not no big fan of it. I feel like it's hard to freaking dress. But so I was like, all right, I don't want to get the same version he has, so let me get something similar. So I was really feeling these. Of course, you know, you got the gold front right here. Nice little leather. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the material is made out of, but it's like really shiny material. Like, I'm really feeling that. I got the black bottoms, of course, like real nice black bottoms. The Nike check right here, that's black. Got the Air Jordan logos, black shoelaces. Like, I like it. It was plain, it was simple. Retail price for this was $95. Of course, you know me, your boy got it for the logo. So I must have paid like what, like I don't really keep track of these things or whatever, so I must have paid like what, like $70, $75 for it. Like, so between these two, like, I love both of these shoes a lot. Of course, this one is recent and this one is old. But I like both of them. I like both of them the same. But if I really had to go with which one that I would wear, like, it'd probably have to be this one right here. Like this one, I just feel like it's not gonna get as dirty easy. Like shell toes, I don't know if you guys are aware of it, but Adidas shell toes, these motherfuckers, like the top, it just goes bad. Like it goes, that's the first thing to go bad on the shoe, and that's something I really hate about it. But I can clean shoes, but it's just like, yeah, some shoes is like, it doesn't matter what you do to it, it's just gonna just stay the color like yellow. Comment down below, tell me if you like this one. I like it a whole freaking lot. I like the gold, it was very creative. It was very, very creative. When I seen it, I fell in love with it like 5-6 years ago. This one, I just feel like I could wear this with anything. This one right here, you kind of have to like style it up a little bit. Like you gotta kind of style this up. I'm really feeling this one right here a whole lot. I cannot wait to wear it. Definitely, I might wear this in the summertime. I might do it with my brothers in top to bottom. I might wear all black. Definitely gonna wear it with the V-neck. You know, I gotta have the V-necks or whatever. Gotta wear it with my V-neck and, you know, some jeans or whatever. Probably cut jeans. You know, give me some ideas in the comments, like, wow, how I should style this one right here. This is the newest one. I have not worn it yet, but this one, really, really, really loving this one right here. Tell me what you guys think. I choose this one, the gold toe, but of course, I like both of them, so tell me what you guys choose, which one you like. Comment down below which is a better shoe. Like, and don't be biased, guys. Don't be biased on some like, all right, because it's Jordans, I gotta pick the Jordans. Or nah, don't do that. Like, really look at it and tell me which one you really, really, really like. Which one you can see yourself rocking. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what's up. What is your vote? Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys giving me. If you guys want more shoe videos, leave a comment. Let me know you want some new shoe videos. Of course, I am on social media. I am on Twitter and I am on Instagram at GMarcusWintersTV. Holla at your boy. Leave me suggestions. Leave me comments. Send me some shoes. Send me some new shoes you got, like copped or whatever case is. Like, maybe I might like them. Maybe, you know, we can talk about it or whatever. Like, where you got it from? What's your connect? So please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not subscribed already, definitely subscribe to the channel. You guys have a great day. It's your boy, GMarcusWintersTV, signing off.